Hold on, before you do it. Microphone is on. Press the select key. Alright. We are in the women's restroom, running a camera towards the city main. Go ahead, sir. Saw that on?
Is that a floor drain probably outside?
I don't know. Could be. We should be coming right outside the building by the mechanical room where the water heater is at. Exiting out of that, and here's the turn. Going along the side of the building, westward. Might have to go back and push it forward. Want me to flush some water?
There it goes.
See all that crud? Got all that in the line. Want me to flush the water?
There it
There you
goes. Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
All that pipe is all you know, it's the bottom is bottomed out already.
Corroded through.
Yeah, corroded through. Can't tell. Yeah, look at that. You see where the... Let me flush the toilet real
Go
quick.
for it.
Shake the camera back and forth with the water's moving. So we can keep pushing to it, so we can push it all down. Right there, don't. This is all cast iron piping. As you can see, there's a lot of pits in the line, which can easily grab onto waste or paper towels or anything that's flushed down the drain. Now we're getting to the clay pipe. You'll see it transitioning from cast iron to clay. And you see some separation here. Pull it back, sir. Let the water drain. I'll push that forward. You can see right at the very right hand bottom corner, there's a break in the line right there.
I'll come back.
30 feet in. Now we're going to move forward. And that looks fine. Keep going. Is it getting harder? I think I took it to 50 feet. That next one should be coming right here pretty soon. Oh, that's good. As we're going further down the drain, everything looks well. We're having a hard time pushing the cable further in because of the turns. So we're gonna have to come back. Oh, right there. Pull back. Right there. What is that? Is that just the glare or the
Let's see.
reflection, right? There's the drop right there. See right here at the bottom?
Mm-hmm. The rocks at the separation.
Yeah. Let me see if I can make it more visible. If you look at the bottom of the pipe, you can see there's some separation there where the pipe is on the bottom end of the pipe. You'll see the discoloration from a reddish pink to a white color. There's where the separation is, what could cause stoppages. And we can go a little further to the other side so you can see the separation on the at the end of the pipe. So you can't get any past that? Okay. Bring it back to where that separation's at. Right there. I'm going to stop it now and then we'll go pinpoint that.